Hi children, today we are going to learn 6th Mathematics chapter 12 Ratio and Proportion. In this lesson we are going to learn ratio. Exercise 12.1 part 1. In this video we are going to cover the topics are introduction of ratio and properties of ratio, ratio in simplest form, and exercise 12.1 part 1. Introduction of ratio. Ratio means a reason. Early translator rendered this word from Latin word rational. A ratio is a relationship between two numbers of the same kind. A ratio is a comparison of two quantities. We can use a simple is to express as ratio. 2:1. Read as 2:1. Assume that we have two quantities that are A is to B. We can write in fraction, that is A divided by B, where A and B would be any two quantities. A is to B. Here A is the first term and B is the second term. So first term is called antecedent and second term is called consequent. For example, in ratio 4:9 is represented by 4/9 in the fraction form, where 4 is antecedent and 9 is consequent. Now look at this picture. Ratio of square to circle. See how many squares are there? 3. How many circles are there? 5. So square is to circle. That means 3:5. Now look at this picture. How many apples are there? See 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And how many bananas are there? That is 2, 4, 6. So now we are going to write the ratio of apple to banana. So apple is to banana, that is 10:6. Now we are going to try. Say, write the ratio of yellow rectangle to red rectangle. Look at this rectangles. There are 2 yellow rectangles and 3 red rectangles. So write the ratio of given picture is 2:3. And write the ratio of blue triangle to green triangle. Here we have 3 blue triangle and 2 green triangle. So write the ratio of given picture is 3:2. We should know how to write ratios. First, a ratio can be written as a fraction. Ratios are mostly written in the simplest form. Ratios can be written in 3 different ways, that are 4:3, 4/3 and 4:3. Properties of ratio. First property, a ratio has no unit, it is a number. And second one, the two quantities of ratio should be same unit. And third one, each number of the ratio is called a term. And fourth one, order of the term in a ratio cannot be reversed. Ratios in simplest form. Step 1. Write the ratios in fraction form. Step 2. Divide the numerator and the denominator by common factor. For example, express the ratios in the simplest form of the larger rope is 4 meter long and the smaller roof is 2 meter long. Solution. So first write 4 is to 2. So now convert it into fraction, that is 4 by 2. The common factor is 2. So divide the numerator and the denominator by the common factor 2. So when you divide, you will get 2 by 1. We can write in ratios, that is 2 is to 1. That is the simplest form of ratio. Example 12.1. Ravi wanted to distribute rupees 1200 between his son and daughter in the ratio 7 is to 5. How much money would each of them get? Number of total share equal to 7 plus 5. That means we'll get 12. Now we want to find one share. That means 1200 divided by 12 means we'll get 100 rupees. Now son's share equal to 7 multiplied with 100 will get 700 rupees, and daughter's share equal to 5 into 100 will get 500 rupees. A blanket of length 180 meter has to be divided into 3 parts in the ratio 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4. Find the length of each part. Total number of parts equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. When you add these 3 numbers, will get 9 parts. Length of first part, that is given 2, isn't it? Yes. That is 2 by 9 multiplied with 180. 1 9 is 9 and 2 9s are 18, so we'll get 20. So 2 20s are 40 meter. And length of second part equal to, that is 3 by 9 multiplied with 180 will get 3 20s are 60 meter. And third one, length of third part equal to, that is 4 by 9 multiplied with 180 will get 80 meter. Exercise 12.1. First one, find the following ratios. 14 to 12. 14 to 12 means first write in fraction, that is 14 divided by 12. When you simplify by common factor, that means the common factor of 14 and 12 is 2. So divide the numerator and denominator by 2 means we'll get the simplest form, that is 7 by 6. Now we are going to write that ratios, that is 7 is to 6. Then second one, 2 kilometer to 20 kilometer. Now we are going to write in fraction, that is 2 by 20. Find the common factor of 2 and 20, that is 2. So when you divide numerator and the denominator by 2, we'll get 1 by 10. Now you are going to write, that is 1 is to 10. Express the following ratios in the simplest form. First one, 108 to 360. Write in fraction, that is 108 divided by 360. Find the common factor of 108 and 360, that is 36. So when you divide numerator and the denominator by the common factor 36, will get 3 by 10. So when you write in ratio, that is 3 is to 10. And 500 gram to 2 kilogram. Here we have different units, so we have to convert it into smaller units, isn't it? So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, and 2 kg means, that is 2 into 1000 gram means we'll get 2000 grams. Then 500 gram to 2000 gram equal to, write in fraction, that is 500 divided by 2000. Now find the common factor of 500 and 2000, that is 500. When you divide the numerator and the denominator by 500, we'll get 1 by 4. So now we can write in the ratio, that is 1 is to 4. Third one, 4 days to 2 weeks. Here we have different units. The one is days, another one is given in weeks. So day is smaller when you compare with weeks. So 1 week equal to 7 days. That means 2 weeks means we will get 14 days. So 4 days to 14 days. Write in fraction, that is 4 by 14. Now we are going to find the common factor for 4 and 14. So that is 2. So when you divide the numerator and the denominator by 2, we'll get 2 by 7. Now you can write in ratios, that is 2 is to 7. Then fourth one, 50 paise to 4 rupees. Here paise is the smaller unit, so convert the rupees into paise. So 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, then 4 rupees equal to 400 paise. So now you can write 50 paise to 400 paise. Now you are going to write in fraction, that is 50 divided by 400. Now you can find the common factor, that is 50. When you divide the numerator and the denominator by 50, will get 1 by 8. Now you can write in ratio, that is 1 is to 8. A price of rupees 50 is to be shared by Ishan and Arjun in the ratio 2 is to 3. Complete the table to find each one's share. So number of shares needed equal to 2 plus 3. We don't know, am I right? Yes, now we are going to find number of shares needed equal to 2 plus 3 means we can add 2 plus 3 will get 5. So write 5. Then 1 share, that means total amount is 50 and total number of shares is 5. So 50 divided by 5 means we'll get 10. Now you can write 10. Now we are going to find the Ishan's share. That means Ishan means that he has 2 shares. So you can multiply with 2 into 10 will get 20. Now we want to find the Arjun's share. That is 3 shares. So 3 multiplied with 10 will get 30. Using the method in question 3, divide rupees 42 in the ratio 4 is to 3. Number of shares needed. Now we are going to add the ratios, that is 4 plus 3 will get 7. Now we want to find the 1 share, isn't it? So total amount equal to 42. Number of share equal to, that is 7. So 42 divided by 7 means we'll get 6. Now we want to find the Ishan's share, that is his share is 4, so 6 4s are 24. Now we want to find the Arjun's share, so 6 multiplied with 3 will get 18. Thank you.